What are we learning today?
Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about giraffes. Giraffes are very tall. How tall are they? They grow up to nearly 6 meters long. That's the height of over 3 fully grown humans. Their legs and neck alone can be 6 feet long, still taller than the average human. How heavy is a giraffe? Giraffes weigh around the same as 2 fully grown bears. Giraffes eat lots of plants and leaves, up to 45 kilograms a day. That's like eating 114 heads of lettuce in a day. They eat by slurping from high trees with their long tongues that can be over 55 centimeters long, 5 times longer than a human's. It's black and blue so that it doesn't get burnt in the sun. Even though giraffes are tall and gangly, they can run as fast as 55 kilometers an hour over short distances. That's faster than any human. Or at 16 kilometers an hour over longer distances. Giraffes spend most of their lives standing up. They even sleep and give birth standing up. Look at the giraffe's coat. A giraffe's spots are like a human fingerprint. No two are the same. Giraffes have the largest heart of any land mammal. It's 2 feet long and weighs 11 kilograms, which is as heavy as a small dog. It pumps lots of blood around its body at twice the pressure of a human heart. When a baby giraffe is born, it can stand and walk within 1 hour. Imagine a human baby doing that. Even though a giraffe neck is way longer than a human's, it actually has the same number of neck bones, just 7. But they're much bigger, up to 10 inches long. They have big feet. Their feet are the size of a dinner plate, with a diameter of 30 centimeters. Giraffes like to hang around in groups. A group of giraffes is called a tower. A tower will have around 15 members led by one male. Giraffes used to be found all over Africa, but sadly they're now only found just below the Sahara Desert. So what have we learned? We learned that giraffes are very tall. Their legs and neck are longer than a human. They're pretty heavy. And giraffes eat lots of food. They do that by slurping with their big tongues that don't get sunburned. They can run pretty fast, and they stand up all the time, even to sleep. Giraffes have unique spots, just like fingerprints. They have the biggest heart of any land mammal. And baby giraffes can stand and walk an hour after being born. Even though they're much longer, they have the same number of neck bones as a human. Giraffes have very big feet, and they live in groups called towers. They live in parts of Africa, just below the Sahara Desert. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing giraffe. To learn about more animals and dinosaurs, please make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below on what animal you want to see next. Finally, you can click the links at the end of this video for more animals or dinosaur facts. Bye, giraffes!